Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install CorelDRAW for print-ready branding, detailed guide step-by-step clearly. To get started with installing CorelDRAW for print-ready branding, first, visit the official Corel website. Navigate to the CorelDRAW product page. Select the version of CorelDRAW that suits your needs. Click on the Download or Buy Now button. If you choose to buy, follow the prompts to complete your purchase. Make sure to create or log into your Corel account during the purchase process. Once your purchase is complete, check your email for a download link. Download the installation file to your computer. Locate the downloaded file in your Downloads folder. Double-click the installation file to begin the setup process. If prompted, grant permission for the installer to make changes to your computer. Choose your preferred language from the installation options. Follow the on-screen instructions to proceed with the installation. Select the destination folder where you want to install CorelDRAW. Ensure all components are selected for a complete installation. Click the Install button to start the installation. Wait for the installation process to complete. Once finished, click the Finish button. Launch CorelDRAW by clicking on its icon on your desktop or in your Applications folder. Enter your license key if prompted during the first launch. Customize any initial setup options based on your preferences. Now that CorelDRAW is installed, it's time to set up your workspace. Select the New Document option to start a new project for your branding. Choose the appropriate print size and resolution for your branding needs. Familiarize yourself with the CorelDRAW interface and tools. Make sure to save your work frequently as you design. Use the various features to create high-quality graphics for print. Once your design is complete, prepare it for printing. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.